Gina from WTI, and I want to tell you all the reasons that I am loving this bag from Esup. I was looking for something that I could wear that would be lightweight, but that I could carry some of the supplies that we might need on a backpacking trip. Now, I found that I could do about 20 pounds worth of gear without it wearing too much on me. But what I love about this is it has such nice padding, not just in the shoulder straps, but also in the back and on the waist. And it fits so well on me that it hits right on my hips, so the majority of the weight is right there instead of stressing out my shoulders. Now, I'm 5'4", and I was able to adjust all the straps in order to accommodate my size and for it to be very comfortable. I just love all the different pockets and straps that this bag has. You're sure to find somewhere to accommodate all the gear that you need. My favorite pockets, though, are the ones on the waistband, because when I'm hiking, I like to be able to get to smaller items quickly and not have to rummage through a big back pocket to get things like my phone or sunglasses or chapstick, and it's all just right there and very convenient. I also tried out all the things that go in my go bag, and I was able to put in about 20 pounds, which I would say would be about my maximum weight that I can carry. However, my husband tried it out with 50 pounds, and it can definitely accommodate up to that much. If you need a bag to take backpacking or hiking, or maybe you just want to put your emergency gear in it so it's ready to go at a moment's notice, I like this one, and that's my point of view.